Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to repost TikTok video, and now let's dive right in. Now to repost TikTok video, first we'll be required to open the TikTok app itself. And over here guys, in order to repost a video, we will be required to tap on the share button at the bottom right corner of that video, and you can see there is a share button at the bottom right corner of the screen on each of those videos. So open up the video which you want to repost and tap on that share button, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be able to find the repost button available for us just beside the messenger. Tap on that repost, and you can see guys, it says you reposted. And let's go to the repost on TikTok, and over here guys, you can see the video we had just reposted on TikTok. And with that being said guys, this is how to repost a video on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or question regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.